Let's do some dishes. So I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to clean the dish electric machine. So that's what we're gonna clean today. So after washing your dishes, what will you do? Guys, kindly remove, as in under that machine we see something like cup in there. So there is where you gonna check. Make sure you remove the cup because that's where dirty used to enter, or the recipes on, as in condemned recipes, that's where they enter. So remove it, remove all the dirty inside, put it back, clean the inside after you might finish washing the plate. So clean the body. So the next thing to do is to clean our, guys, guess the next thing to clean our both sink, both our microwave. So we're gonna be removing everything inside the microwave. If the microwave is very dirty, you can use sponge like this to make sure you clean it very well, to remove all the stains. So after you use wet rag, make sure you dry the rags. So use it and clean it, then bring the neat rag, then use it to clean it finer. So notice that all the food that stand on that microwave, you will see them no more. So guys, after you put everything back and clean the body. So guys, keep watching. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I just say make I know they put only food all the time. At least make I show you guys on how to do the cleaning as well. So we finish, we are about arranging it very well. So after arranging it, what else do? We will close it and clean the back. So to show you that all these things, you need to be keeping them very neat. Okay, this one apart. So where else can we clean now? So after using the wet towel to clean it, you can use the dry neat towel to clean it finer. Okay, so you're gonna also clean where we put our plates. So these plates now, you can use the wet towel and the wet and the dry one. So after using the wet, you can use the dry to clean it very well. So guys, other place we need to clean is fridge. So remove everything inside the fridge, then use the sponge. You see the sponge I'm using. So use the sponge to clean all the corner where there is dirty or where the dirty hides. So clean them with the brush and this liquid soap, or you can use only brush and product. So put it after. What else will you do? You will then use the wet towel to clean it. So after using the brush, you can use the towel, the sponge I mean, you can use the towel to clean it. This one is the wet towel, the one I soak with water and dry and squeeze it. That's what I'm using. So after, we still use the neat towel to make sure I clean it very well. So guys, keep watching. So this is the neat towel I'm using to clean the fridge totally. So after, what would I do? We can put everything inside. After putting everything inside, you can do what? You can close it. So after closing it, you clean the back because maybe stain will touch the backs. Because this is white, you need to make sure it's always neat. So clean the stains very well. So guys, keep watching. So another thing to clean is the gas. So guys, this one is plate gas burner. So I'm using as well, I'm using sponge as well, so to get rid of the stains. So after using sponge, what else will I use? So guys, I will clean the wall, the kitchen wall. So after we clean the kettle and the coffee machine, so after cleaning it, we then wait to use the dry towel to also dry them to make sure they look very, very neat. So guys, to show you that it's not only food you'll be eating all the time, try to learn how to do the cleaning as well, so that where you are staying to cook food will be tidy. Okay, so we are cleaning the wall because sometimes while cooking the oil will stain the wall, so we are not leaving anyone behind. So we just want to tidy all of them. So the next thing to do after the gas is to, guys, let's see. Okay, now we'll finish. We want to use the dry towel to dry it, to make sure it look very, very neat. Look very, very neat. You can use vinegar to make it shine. If you have vinegar, you can spray vinegar to make it shine as well. So this one apart. So now we're gonna clean our chimney. After cooking food, while cooking food, where the smoke will be entering, so that it will be passing through the roof. So that's what we're gonna clean now. So after we clean the cupboard where we put our pot and our plate, so to make sure everywhere is dusted and neat. So the last but not the least should be our sink. That's the last place to clean. So you can still use the sponge again. So after using the sponge, you then sponge and soap clean the, you clean under it, on top of it you can clean where you usually put something, maybe a vegetable or whatever, fruits, you still clean there. So after that, what else will you do? You will clean the tables. Make sure you clean everywhere. So you clean our bread toaster. So after cleaning with wet towel, you can still clean it with a dry towel. So we are coming to the conclusion of this. So the next thing to tidy now is our spoon, because sometimes dirty will be or dust will be on this spoon side. You wouldn't know. So what you get to do, bring out all the spoons and your knife, then clean it under before putting it back. So so that whenever you bring them out, they will look new and neat. So that's what we try doing for you guys today, so that you know that it's not always cooking food. Sometimes we can bring another idea, but all of them goes to the cuisine of kitchen. As long as it's kitchen, whatever we're doing here, so no wahala. So you don't use your eyes do Christmas for here. Only way you go help me do be say, if you never subscribe here, kindly rush to subscribe and turn on your notification. So for the pot side, make sure the thing is always neat by bringing your pot up. You can even put carton on so that the pot will not be staining the cupboard. But if you feel like you can do it neatly, you don't need to worry. So the next one is the dustbin. So we're gonna clean our dustbin. But some people have called dustbin. They don't like tidying it again. Don't know that when you tidy it, you never hear any smell on your kitchen or any other. Because that's where you put all your trash. So I think that should be the last thing we are cleaning here. So after we can put the cellophane, the pepper, the nylon pepper. So guys, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So let me know how you go about cleaning your stuffs at home, especially your kitchen. Let us know in the comment section. So look at how neat this look. Thanks for watching.